Okay, 2 days worth of editing, running on no sleep and coffee. This is the video. This is the video that's gonna blow up. Yes. This is the one. This is the one. Alright, okay. Let's check my views. Honey, I'm feeling like it's gonna be a good day. Oh my god. 3 views? 3? Now don't get discouraged. In this video, I'm gonna show you my tips and tricks on how you can grow your channel in 2020, so stick around. So you posted your first video and it didn't go viral like you thought it would because you got 3 views. So what now? I'm glad you asked. Step number 1 is understanding the YouTube algorithm. Every time you upload, it shows up on people's recommended pages. They can either click on it, which is good for you, or they don't click on it, which is bad for you. The problem with this is that YouTube doesn't know who to push your videos to. It is completely random. For example, let's say you post makeup videos, okay? So you post a video and YouTube recommended to 4 different people who are construction workers. They're not gonna click on your video, sis. Now, I know it sucks because how do you know who it's gonna get pushed to? How do you get people to click it? I'm glad you asked that. So how do you get people to click it? With your thumbnail and title. You wanna make your thumbnails big, clear fonts. People can read it, it's eye-catching. I mean, you clicked here on this video because my thumbnail caught your attention, right? So I must be doing something right. You wanna make sure your thumbnails are eye-catching. Every time I design a thumbnail, I always look back and think about it. Would I click on this video? And if the answer is no, I change it. If anything, send a couple to your friends. Ask them, would they click on it? Do they think it's interesting? Etc. The thumbnail also has to be relevant to the video. Don't post a makeup tutorial and then have a picture of Wiz Khalifa on the front. One tip I have for people is that when you're designing a thumbnail on your phone or on your computer, it's gonna appear smaller than what you're seeing on the computer. So you have to make sure that when people are clicking them on their phone, they're gonna be able to read it. Here are some of my favorite apps that I use to edit my thumbnails. Check them out. If you want some videos on how I do that, let me know down below. Click-through rate. This is how often people spend watching your videos and how much time they spend on your videos. When they click on a video, do they watch it for 10 seconds and click off, or do they actually watch it to the end? This is very important. On average, if you look at your YouTube Creator Studios, which you should be, you will see that the average person only watches about a minute or 2 of your videos. And I know this is heartbreaking because you spent hours slaving editing this video, but they only watched 2 minutes of it. Now, what does that tell you? People have a short attention span. That means you need to make your intro popping. Put all your focus and energy on the first 2 minutes of your video. Make it eye-catching, make it funny, make it weird, whatever you want to do. When I first used to make YouTube videos, I used to put content at the end of the video that was the most important, and it was so stupid because no one's actually watching it. Let's be realistic. So now what I do is I put my first eye-catching or hilarious moments right in the beginning. If you notice, the trend on my channel is I like to do hilarious or comedic intros, and that just catches people's attention because they click on the video, they see that I'm funny, and they go, hey, she made me laugh, maybe she can make me laugh throughout the video. And that's how I keep my engagement. If I click on a video and people's intros are just long and drawn out, I will immediately click off because this is boring. I have ADD, I have a short attention span, I do not have time for this. This is how you don't want your intro to be. So hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing, well, you know, I felt bored, so I just thought that, yeah, subscribe to my channel. I'll wait for you. I'm waiting. No, okay, you know what? Just get to the point. Tell the viewers what you're gonna be doing in the video, introduce your channel. Now I have a question for you. How many of you focus on views and getting clout?
LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James, LeBron James.
Wrong. Let me explain something, because you clearly wasn't listening to me. Your click-through rate is something that YouTube uses in the algorithm to promote your videos. So if you have a low click-through rate but high view count, it kind of shows YouTube, maybe you're using clickbait titles, maybe you're using clickbait thumbnails, which is where people are going to be clicking on the video and immediately exiting. See, because they clicked on your video because it said how to get Meg Thee Stallion's knees, but you shown a video about horses. The more time people spend watching your videos, especially if you're subscribers, the more YouTube is going to push you into the YouTube world, and more people are going to see your videos. If we take a look at my most successful video, which is the Chloe Ting challenge, a lot of people came onto my video telling me that every day they were doing the challenge, they were searching up Chloe Ting challenges to get motivated and to see people's results. So people were coming to my video every single day just to get motivation. That upped my view time and my click-through rate. And I noticed that every single day I was getting comments from more and more people who I've never heard of. They were just in the YouTube land, and I got more subscribers from that. So I got my name out there. Because of that video, I actually got monetized because my name got out there. People saw me, they recognized me, they subscribed. Just like you should right now. Another tip I'm going to tell you if you want to up your views is to stay relevant, to make content that is relevant to the time and age. For example, how many times have you searched up how-to videos? How to fake a nose job, how to get Meg Thee Stallion's knees, how to... Am I the only one that searches that? Or, So if you've been listening and taking notes, now you've got a catchy thumbnail, you've got a catchy title, and you've been working on your click-through rate. Now, how do you get engagement up? Glad you asked. Engagement can be how many people comment on your videos, how many people like it, how many people actually dislike it. That counts as engagement too. Haters gonna hate. The way you do this is to get genuine people who are interested in watching your videos. How I did this was find YouTubers that make similar content to mine, and I made new friends. What I did was I searched up similar videos that I made. For example, if I did a 24-hour quarantine glow up, I would search this on YouTube, and there was thousands of other people that had made this video in the same week. So I watched their video, actually watched it, commented on it, told them that I also made a video, made a new friend. If I see someone genuinely watching my content and commenting on my videos repeatedly, I will go back and I will support them because I know the struggle of posting videos that you've spent hours on, slaved on and editing, and it got like 4 views. Surprisingly, that's how I met these beautiful people, and I absolutely love them. I actually consider them my friends, and I've made them here off YouTube. If I did not start a YouTube account, or I didn't search them up, or they didn't find me, I would have never met them, and I feel so sad because they are genuinely nice people. Please go check out their channels. I'll link them all down below. This is actually how I met Shay, the other Shay, and I think she's absolutely sweet. She's making content, she is making me laugh, and that is a plus. If you can make me laugh, girl, you got my subscription. The next important tip, listen carefully. You do not need expensive ass equipment to film a YouTube video. I record off my phone and it is like an Android. So the quality be like, but I still got 2.6K, honey, and I earned that 2.6K. The thing I'm gonna say is that make sure the quality is at least 1080, okay? Like I see some videos and they're like 720p and I'm like, my eyes be 720p, like what I'm gonna do with that? Shit, I see blurry on a daily. I don't want to be looking at your video looking, I can't see shit, bitch. Click-through rate, engagement, you made some new friends. So now you have a title, thumbnail, what's next? Duh, go upload, go make your content, make content that you think people want to see. I'm glad you liked this video. If you enjoyed this, leave a comment down below, hit that like button, hit subscribe to join my channel. I think I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this, helping people grow their channel. It's highly requested. People DM me all the time, ask me how I grew my channel, and I told them I would make this video. It is very highly requested, so I think I'll make this a series. If this video does well, I'll keep doing it, okay? But until then, hope you liked my tips. Feel free to use the comment section to connect with like-minded content creators. I love supporting Black content creators, and that's just my thing because I personally feel like we struggle to get recognized. That is nothing against everyone else. It's just I personally feel like we have to work twice as hard to get our names out there. Leave me a message down below if you want to connect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.